Hey guys, so obviously by the title of this video, I will be putting up some LED string lights or LED strip lights. I got these from Burlington for $7.99. If you guys did not see my recent try-on haul, these were in my try-on haul. Pretty much just everything that I had bought recently. But yeah, so I'm going to be applying these to the back of my TV, which is why my TV is pulled out so far from the wall. This is my second attempt at applying these strip lights to my TV. The first time I failed because I cut them. So I actually applied some to my desk. So I'll show you guys that also when I'm done. But let's go ahead and apply these and then we'll see what the finishing product looks like. Okay, so these are the Flex Glow lights. The brand is Mercury Innovations. Again, $7.99, really cheap. So let's just go ahead and get started. So we have the strip lights in this little bag. Instructions, we'll need those so I don't mess up again. And that's everything in the box. Let's open up the bag. In the bag we have the LED strip as well as the remote. Okay, and we also have our LED strip lights, and we also have our USB port plug. So obviously you will need to connect the lights to some sort of USB outlet. You have a few options. You can connect it to a charger box that's used for your phone. You can connect it to the back of your TV. So wherever you decide to put the lights, just make sure you have access to a USB port. So that's how they will work. Okay. So I'm kind of nervous, but you know, I got this. Okay, so my main challenge that I had last time was pretty much bending the LED strip around the corners. So my mistake was I taped a piece of the strip here, I cut it to tape a separate piece along the top, but they have to stay connected in order to work. So I have to figure out how to maneuver the LED strip to curve, but also sticking it with the adhesive. And it has a little picture here. It was a little confusing, but we'll get it. As long as I don't cut it, we should be good. I connect these two pieces first so I know how far up I need to go. So this part, the USB port part, will go into the TV. And then this part connects to the end of the USB right here. So now I can just start. How to curve it. Are there like separate corner pieces? I don't understand. This can't be this difficult. Back of TV. start, let me roll this back up first so I'm not making it more difficult for myself. Also, when you guys are peeling off the cover, the like backing, make sure you're not peeling off the actual adhesive that's supposed to stay on the LED strip in order to stick it to whatever you're putting it on. Now, the part that I've been dreading. Getting this around the corner. I'm not going to peel off the backing yet until I know exactly what it is I'm doing. I think I got it, guys. I don't know. So looks like it works. So let's continue. So far it's looking pretty good, but now I have arrived at the other corner. I think the first corner looks pretty decent from what it shows in on the instructions. I don't know. What do you guys think? So now time to do that other corner. So let's do it. So we have it going all the way around. It goes all the way around, and I just finished it off to there. So now the big moment of reveal, or now the big moment, the moment we've all been waiting for. Never mind. So we have our remote. On the instructions, it says to pull out the little tab. So let's just pull that out. Little plastic tab. Moment of truth. 3, 2. Wait, does my TV have to be on? I hope not. It shouldn't. That wouldn't make sense. As long as the TV's plugged in, it should be fine. Okay, let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Bruh. Are you kidding me? Maybe I connected these the wrong way. Hopefully. I hope that my TV doesn't have to be on, because then that is pointless. Okay, let's try it. 3, 2. Well, this is upsetting. Let's turn my TV on and then see if it works. Let's try this again. 3, 2, 1. Obviously, that's kind of annoying because apparently my TV has to be on for the lights to work. Yeah, and that kind of defeats the whole purpose of the lights. So now my TV is off. Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1. It works. So that means that I just didn't have it plugged in right. Oh, that makes me so happy, because I really would have been a little bit upset if it didn't work unless my TV was on. But it works. We have white lights. We have every color. Ooh, let's do yellow. Not bad. So that's it. So let's see what they look like with the lights off. Pretty cool. Super happy. So this was a success, guys. I'm super happy. Second time's a charm. Let me show you guys the light that I put underneath my desk. That's the strip that I accidentally cut when I was trying to put it on my TV, so I just put it under there, and it's so cute. So yeah, guys, that's it. If you guys try out these flex glow lights or anything similar, if you guys decide to get LED lights after watching this video, then definitely comment down below and let me know, because I would love to know. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video, whenever that will be. Bye, guys.